London, a city brimming with history, culture, and undeniable charm, is a top destination for travelers worldwide. If you have just 48 hours to explore this magnificent capital for the very first time, this guide offers a compact, no planning needed itinerary. Day one begins with classic landmarks and timeless experiences, starting at the historic Tower of London. This iconic site, dating back nearly 1,000 years, has served as a royal palace, prison, and execution site, housing the famous crown jewels. Right next door, snap a photo at the picturesque Tower Bridge, a stunning example of Victorian engineering. Next, head to St. Paul's Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece designed by Sir Christopher Wren. Climb to the Whispering Gallery for phenomenal acoustics and ascend higher to the Golden Gallery for panoramic views of London. For lunch, refuel at Covent Garden, known for its buzzing atmosphere, boutique shops, and diverse dining options. In the early afternoon, make your way to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. Witness the grandeur of the changing of the guard ceremony and stroll through the beautiful St. James's Park. As your first day winds down, dive into London's lively evening scene in Soho, known for its eclectic dining and vibrant nightlife. If you're feeling lucky, head to Leicester Square, where casinos like the Hippodrome Casino offer sophisticated fun. Day two focuses on art, culture, and modern fun, starting at the British Museum. This treasure trove of art and artifacts from around the globe offers free entry, allowing you to marvel at the Rosetta Stone and the Great Court. For an afternoon jam-packed with flavor and quirky finds, head to Camden Market, one of London's most vibrant districts. No trip to London is complete without visiting Westminster Abbey and Big Ben. Wander through Westminster Abbey, the Coronation Church, and marvel at Big Ben and the Elizabeth Tower. Wrap up your adventure with a ride on the London Eye, offering jaw-dropping 360-degree panoramic views of the city. Consider a Thames River cruise for a unique perspective or a thrilling show in London's West End. Remember to use an Oyster card for transportation, wear comfortable shoes, check attraction hours, and pack an umbrella. With this itinerary, your 48 hours in London will be packed but not overwhelming, promising an unforgettable adventure.